We already talked on our channel about how important the liver is to our body, and you probably already know all of that. But paying attention to our health can never be enough, right? That's why in today's video, we will show you 6 signs that your feet show that are related to the liver, an important organ in our bodies. Are you curious? If you like learning more about health and being informed about eating habits, like this video and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned to the next news about your health and wellness. The liver works as a kind of filter, helping the body eliminate fat and the toxins responsible for increasing inflammation and causing diseases. Abdominal pain on your right side and a bloated stomach are some of the most common symptoms of liver issues. But what causes issues in the liver? Excess of fat and alcohol, abuse of medications, and lack of physical activities are the most common causes of liver issues. See other symptoms that can show in your feet and that may be related to your liver. Itching feet. Contrary to what many people believe, itchiness on your feet doesn't always mean a dermatologic problem. In some cases, it can also be a signal of liver issues. Bilirubin is a substance formed when the red cells are destroyed, and it gets transported to the liver. Its concentration is higher in blood and may get altered by liver lesions or biliary obstruction. Edema or swollen legs. Another signal that your liver may be having problems is the swelling. It is very easy to test it. Press your thumb on the side of your tibia, the knee bone, for 1 to 2 seconds and then release. If your skin shows a dimple, it's edema, which means that liquid is leaking in that area. The liver produces albumin, an important protein responsible for keeping the liquid in the blood. If you don't have enough albumin, the liquid flows out from the blood vessels, causing swelling. Red dots on feet and/or legs. The liver is also responsible for storing a reserve of around 1 liter, 34 ounces, of blood to help the body. These red dots on your feet and legs may alert you of liver issues, since it interferes with the clotting and healing of wounds. These dots are like small hemorrhages, signaling that your blood clotting isn't in its best shape. Capillary vessels known as spider veins on feet or legs, also known as telangiectasia. It indicates that your liver is having some issues. Hot feet. A burning sensation on your feet and ankles is another symptom related to liver issues. In this case, it's important to do a blood test and seek your doctor to learn the causes of this inflammation. It usually happens when the liver can't drain blood enough, or when the liquid leaks from blood, causing bad circulation in the area. Chilblains. Chilblains are nothing more than a fungal infection in between the toes, especially when the region is humid. It is a symptom that your immunity is low, and the liver is one of the responsible organs for improving immunity. When your immune system is weakened, you may show other infections and problems, such as candidiasis. Besides these signals, yellow eyes and dark urine with a strong smell can also signal that your liver isn't working well. So, do you have one of these symptoms? If you suffer from any of these issues, go to a hepatologist to do the necessary tests and identify the cause of your problems. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.